So we will replace this window on Honda HR-V 2023-24. So first you need to take this out and trim panel. That's easy. And you unplug this thing right here and you're good to go. Here's one Phillips screw here. So then you just do this, just clips, and just take it off. Here's a speaker plug. And you see on the back just those clips, and nothing is holding it. And then you see what is under the door trim panel. So next we need to remove this plastic cover. This glue is kinda messy and very sticky, but before you need to take this and this and this away because it's gonna cover that thing. Okay, let's do it now. So first you need to unplug this and then pop up this and this clip, and you see I recommend you to put gloves because it's kind of hard to get rid of that glue when you make it dirty. Oh yeah, and this clip and this clip. Okay, so yeah, when you remove this, just start peeling off this thing. Look, it goes like this. But I cannot make a video and take it off, so let's continue. So when you open up the door panel, you need to roll the window down because it's attached there. So what you need to plug this thing back here and operate the window. So what you do next, you roll the window down until you see those two 10 millimeters. Those bolts are holding the window here. So just take them off. And also you'll need to take these off, just here, and it opens to you these and these, because here's a guide which is inside the door, and this molding, the black one needs to be taken off because it's blocking the way out for the window. So next, this guy, this 10 millimeter, this thing, like I said, the guide. Here's another one, and this thing. Here's another. Oh yeah, here was a Phillips screw, and here's another one. I'll show you right now. So here's another Phillips screw, and after this you have access to remove this molding here. So when you remove this Phillips, it should go up like this. I'll show you right now. So when you remove this molding, you see that clips here, you just pop it up, and this thing is gonna block the way for the windows. So now you just, like I did before, you leave it here, lose it here. I mean lose it, not leave it. Lose it here, here, and it's gonna go and lose this and take it out. Let's go. Oh yeah, I forgot. And this molding, you need to take this off because it's gonna hold this rubber thing here. So you just go like this and pop it up, just little by little. So it goes away, and now you can take this rubber thing out so it will not hold your window, and then move this thing away, this one. So as soon as you release this thing can go, so you can move it off the way from the window here. You see it here, and this can go out. So yeah, now Windows is moving out. As you see, it has freedom to go. Yep, right here. So when you have new window, just put it here and slide it down. Slide it down until it reaches that bottom thing, that regulator. So now it's here, and then that thing, that bracket, that guide, I don't know how you call it, here you put it over, but here just put them a little bit, not to let it go anywhere. Yeah, just put them a little bit, those bolts, just to hold it so it will not go anywhere. When you put this thing back, this one, just make sure it sits on the window inside. I cannot make the picture, but just make sure it's sitting properly right there. And then tight it here, and one bolt here, nut here, one bolt here,